Hello, in this video, see how Content Panda delivers context-sensitive help and support in the SharePoint user interface. Turn on Content Panda by clicking the Panda tab and click Turn on Help. Click any Panda where you need help, and out-of-the-box and help content is delivered in context, giving users quick answers to those "How do I?" questions. In this example, a user wants to share a site with another user, but the Share button is new to them in SharePoint Online, and they want to understand more about it. They click the Panda on the Share button to view a variety of learning choices. They can read the description, watch a video, or click the support links to access the exact support topic they need help with. After clicking a support link, a user can choose from a few options: step-by-step instructions, detailed screenshots, short video, and computer-based training. Within the computer-based training interface, users can navigate related topics easily. At the end of the CBT, they can test themselves with the learning check to ensure they understand and retain what they've learned. Leverage Content Panda's context-sensitive help, support and training to accelerate user adoption, reduce support costs, and reinforce best practices. Users quickly learn to click the Panda first when a question arises.